Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, so it says that if you use this sound on TikTok, your soulmate texts you during this sound or like comments or something on something. So let's try. Alright, 3, 2, 1. I'm kind of nervous. It didn't work. See, I hate when people do this to me. Are you really gonna wear that?
Yeah, I'll wear it.
I swear. You can't wear that mask. I wear that mask sometimes. It didn't work. It didn't work. It didn't work. It didn't work. Oh my god. I thought you were like. Say hi to YouTube.
No, get out of here. Get out.
Don't say my name.
I'm sorry, racing.
I'll block it out.
No, don't put me on there.
I'm putting you on here.
Right.
So that didn't work. You do?
Oh, good.
I can see through your eyes.
Crazy.
Okay, anyways. Thank you for watching this short little video. I'm definitely not gonna cry. Oh my god. You sound like that devil from that horror movie. Anyways, bye.